IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What do you like or dislike about street markets? Band 5. Answer.
I like street markets because they are lively and have many cheap things. But sometimes I dislike them because they are crowded and noisy. It can be uncomfortable to walk there.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence, simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, basic vocabulary, cheap, crowded, noisy. Grammar, mostly correct, but very simple structures. Pronunciation, likely understandable, but with noticeable issues. Typical of a Band 5, short, safe answers with little detail. Band 7.5 Answer.
I enjoy street markets because they feel energetic and authentic, especially when local vendors sell fresh food. However, I don't like how crowded they can get, and sometimes the hygiene standards aren't great.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, clear, well-organized response. Lexical resource, good range, authentic, vendors, hygiene standards. Grammar, accurate with some complex sentences. Pronunciation, clear with minor slips. Typical of a Band 7.5, balanced opinion with specific reasons. Band 9 Answer.
What I really like about street markets is the atmosphere. They're vibrant, social, and full of local character. That said, I sometimes find them overwhelming due to the crowds, and the lack of organization can be a bit stressful.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and natural. Lexical resource, precise, flexible vocabulary, vibrant, overwhelming, lack of organization. Grammar, wide range, fully controlled. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band 9, nuanced, confident, and very natural response. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.